All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Safemoon. Yep, Safemoon, moving from V1 to V2. We're going to cover that. Also, go to the website, check out their Twitter page. A lot of good stuff's been going on in the last week or so, so we're going to check out 4 or 5 different things there. Also, Gemini and Huobi has listed Dogecoin on Mars. We're going to jump over there and check that out for a second. And last but not least, crypto.com's changed its colors from red to blue over in Los Angeles. We're going to do a little couple look at some of the pictures over there, since now basketball is going on in crypto.com and it's all blue. Alright everybody, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own some cryptocurrency. That's right. So, it's been Sunday and Monday, and Tom Brady's been on the tube talking about what he's getting into. Crypto.com's been on the tube for football fans, talking about, all the things that they're getting into. So, Super Bowl commercials are coming up. And guess what? FTX and Crypto.com is going to be advertising a lot in there. All right, everybody, let's head over to Safemoon Cryptocurrency. All right, Safemoon Cryptocurrency. Here we are, coin market cap, 3,088. This token is up 61% in the last 7 days. Talk about some serious growth there. 61% in the last 7 days. Down 4% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Yeah, it's down about 6%. It's a 002716. The new V2, the ticker is S. Checking out the last 7 days. Last 7 days, this cryptocurrency has been doing absolutely fantastic, everybody. Take a look. It's down here, and it's doing its thing. And then it really just jumped up like you've never seen before. It's going and going and going. It's up 60-some% in the last 7 days. Safemoon, SFM. Clicking the holders. What wallets can you use with Safemoon? When you got MetaMask you can use, Binance Chain Wallet you can use. Go to either one of these websites. So starting over at the Twitter, it was saying Safemoon Army happened to see if Safemoon Army, if you happen to be in Times Square, be sure to look up. Our Safemoon family has been seen in multiple upcoming billboards advertising showing 5, 25, and 45 minutes past hour the entire year. Safemoon Army, look up, and you are in Times Square during the 2022. There you go. Take a look how nice it looks. You're going to see these advertisements everywhere. We are family. We are Safemoon. Take a look at the whales right there. Yep, it's looking pretty good, everybody. You got the astronauts. Now, here's the big thing. V1 support is winding down. The V1 tax is to be set at 100%. Now, look what it says in red. Do not transfer any V1 tokens to another wallet. By increasing the tax, this remains the incentive to continue holding Safemoon V1. Migrating from V1 to V2 will remain open indefinitely, so nobody is left behind. The exchange has been given all that you need to do to complete their migrations. It is highly advised that you do not buy Safemoon V1, as you will not be receiving any tokens following this change. So you got to basically make sure you get the V2 for sure. No more V1. The V1 tax will be set at 100%. So we're going to go right here. How do we buy the V2? Here we go. This is how we do it. Twitter, you can go ahead and kind of check out how to buy your Safemoon. Going to the website, Safemoon, the fastest growing crypto company on. Welcome to Safemoon, the fastest growing crypto community on earth. Consolidate the V2 Safemoon. It says right here, right at the website, buy V2. If you clicked it, I'm going to take you right here to consolidate your V2 to Safemoon. You know, how many BNBs are you going to put in there? And then when you put it in there, it converts it right there to Safemoon. So pretty awesome stuff there. The Safemoon protocol is a community-focused, fair launch DeFi token. Couple things here. Reflection, LP acquisition, token burns, and growth fund. 4% to reflection, 3% to LP acquisitions, 2% to the token burns, and 1% to the growth fund. This is coming soon, the Safemoon Exchange. The Safemoon Exchange is a revolutionary new idea that will bring tokenomics to all the cryptos on the platform. We call this cryptonomics. So right at the top of the website here, we click Mooncraft, and it goes to Mooncraft by Safemoon. PlaySafemoon.net. What is Mooncraft? Mooncraft is a Minecraft server that we use to test the test bed for integration with Safemoon with other technologies. It features severe game modes, active developments, and new proprietary technology. Mooncraft by Safemoon. Pretty awesome, everybody. So V1 to V2, make sure everything is V2 now. Don't do no V1s. The tax is 100%. It's not going to be good. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We're going to talk about Dogecoin getting listed on a couple new exchanges. Checking out Dogecoin Mars. Right here, crypto exchange Gemini and Huobi list Dogecoin Mars. That's right. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is one of the most influential people in crypto space and has inspired creations of some meme coins in recent months. One of the meme coins is now performing well after getting listed on some major exchanges. Well, Dogecoin Mars, the meme coin inspired by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, has made it to two major crypto exchanges. The meme token was recently listed on Huobi and Gemini. Dogecoin is a dog-themed meme coin hosted on the Ethereum and Polygon blockchain. The coin seeks to become popular like other leading meme coins such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki. Huobi is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Announced yesterday that it has listed Dogecoin Mars on its platform, making it easier for millions of traders to access the meme coin. Also, the announcement was followed by another announcement on Gemini, the exchange owned and operated. Gemini also announced that it will list Mars on the platform. So now Dogecoin Mars is listed on both of these platforms, which is fantastic information, everybody. More stuff going on in the cryptocurrency world. All right, we're going to do this real quick. The first photos of Crypto.com Arena has been revealed. So right here, take a look at the blue. So Crypto.com is no longer the Staples Center. It's official. The Staples Center is no more. So now it's completely blue. The new home of LeBron James, Los Angeles Lakers, Crypto.com. The iconic, gigantic Staples Center's lettering in front of the arena has now been replaced by big blue Crypto.com banners. Not only that, but its backstage tunnel area, all the Staple logos are gone as well. It seems that the common theme for the new Crypto.com arena is the color blue. The Staples Center was red. So now it went from red to blue, everybody. This person right here, official, says tonight was his last official game at the LA Clippers, played at the Staples Center. 10 years of my life under this name, Staples Center. So again, just wanted to show you a few pictures of Crypto.com. Yeah, you gotta admit, it's gonna be pretty cool to be sitting in the stadium and it's Crypto.com and everybody's on their phone checking it out and they're all learning about crypto. I mean, that's going to be kind of awesome. Also on the Super Bowl commercials, Crypto.com and FTX is going to be advertising all kinds of commercials this Super Bowl. When people say they want to know what the best commercial is, here you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first. It's probably going to be a crypto commercial is going to be the best commercials this February when the Super Bowl goes. All right, everybody, let's head back over to Safemoon, do a little price prediction, and then to cover a couple more things. You know, how to buy. It says right here, there's 4 easy steps. Create a wallet. Safemoon wallet. Download the Safemoon wallet. Follow the steps. Always remember to keep 12-word seed phrases a secret. Do not share that with anybody. 2, purchase some BNB. 3, you want to swap your BNB for Safemoon. And then 4, you want to hold your Safemoon. All right. Here we are back at the coin market. This token is up tremendously. I mean, it's up 60-some% in the last 7 days. So what's our price prediction? It's a 0.02622. I'm thinking it's going to go to 0.040 in the next, by the end of the first quarter, 0.0400050. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. There's just a lot of stuff going on. Right now, it's on the up. It's probably going to keep going up. And again, Safemoon right here, 3,096. At this point, it's up 47%. Checking out the top 5. Solana right here is down 13% in the last 7 days, traded at $172. You got Cardano is down 7% at number 6, traded at $1.35. Binance Coin is at $524. It's down about 4% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's at 3787, under 4,000, down 7% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin is still under 47, 46.8, down about 8% in the last 7 days. All right, everybody, Safemoon V2 is here. No more V1. Everything needs to be migrated. There's a big tax on it, 100%. If you keep it, don't put it in another wallet. Make sure you use your V2. Also, all this good stuff going on with crypto.com. Dogecoin Mars is getting listed on all kinds of things. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Every day, Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every day at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Bonus videos are either 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And then Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing videos around 3 to 4 in the afternoon. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day today. Have a great day.